Uh, this is the first time this has ever been recorded, and I think it's going to be the last. So it's really, in a sense, a historical moment. I've resented and tried not to ever let this happen. And here we are. What we're going to do this morning is play a real symphony. And the way the symphonies are constructed is we live in 4 bodies. And one of the bodies that we live in is the physical. And the reason it's the physical is because it has certain rules and laws. Tomorrow is going to be the physical. She's, of the 4 of us, actually the most physical. And she will be representing the physical body. I will be representing the auric body. This is my weakest body. And the laws of the auric body are that everything is in flux. You can share space simultaneously. You can go billions of miles faster than the speed of light, or you can lock it close to your body in anger and frustration like a razor blade. On my right is Natasha. Natasha is going to play the most difficult body of all, and that's the body of, a body of mystery, we'll call it today. And she's truly a person of great mystery. Across from me is Dear Woman, who has got an amazingly strong physical body. That's why we're up here. But she actually has a stronger body, and that's her dream body. And the dream body, or the dream world, is a world in which not that we dream at night, but that is the source of all our activities, our energies, our passions, and our intentions in the process of living in these particular realms. Okay? We're all going to be playing simultaneously. Let's see. I think I'm going to ask Tamar to start. We'll all play with you. And what you do is you just simply go and stay in the physical realm. Acknowledge the physical realm for what it is. Appreciate it and give it life and vitality and its awesome world. Okay? Then, when you are finished, very clearly strike 3 times. And then I will go. That means we're all still playing though, because we'll support you. And then it'll be my turn, and I will probably be traveling across the universes and mixing clouds of vapors of auric energy and all sorts of emotions. And then when I'm finished, I'll tap 3 times. Okay? And then we'll go to Dream Woman. And she will play the dream world, from which all wisdom, all knowing resides. When she is finished, you'll tap clearly 3 times. And then the last will be you. Okay? Now what we've discovered in the symphonies is there is no such thing as imagination. What we think of as imagination is actually veils of reality that we haven't been, by illusions, allowed to share. So what you imagine is real. And just feed it acknowledgement and enthusiasm. When you're finished, you will tap 3 times, and we will all complete the symphony. Okay? But the difficulty in playing this symphony is that we are surrounded by multitudes of curtains of illusion, maya, myths, and everything else that deny us the experience of any one of these worlds. What we're going to do is tear these apart and experience the reality of each world. I'd say if you have any questions, please ask them now, but only the cameraman, who is so kindly here.